So if you guys heard about the Neutral Buoyancy Lab in Houston, Texas, boy, do we have some issues. Guys, there is an entire ISS replica underwater in Houston, Texas? Guys, this ain't normal. Why is he underwater? Now, it's not just astronauts working underwater on the ISS training for space-related issues. But astronauts ain't the only thing they fake in this pool. Are you kidding me? Now, what's crazier is you have things like astronaut Luca Parmitano that have had water flooded the spacesuit helmet of the Italian astronaut, forcing NASA to abort the spacewalk and get him to safety. Well, that's interesting because last time I checked, there's no water in space, not in a vacuum, but there's a lot of water in a pool. Now, I know what you're thinking, Mike, what's the big deal? Maybe the guy, he got some water in his helmet due to the training facility, but again, he wasn't training, he was on a spacewalk, right? And in space, outside of the Earth's atmosphere, there's almost no molecules in the gas that surrounds the International Space Station. The absence of molecules means that the air pressure is extremely low. So if you're in an ultimate low pressure system, it's like a vacuum. Now, this is where the issues come in. The deeper you go under the sea, the greater the pressure of water pushing down on you is. So space has no pressure or very low pressure, and then water has high pressure, meaning that these are two completely different environments. Therefore, you would never train in water to prepare for space, right? Now, that would be the equivalent of me taking a road vehicle and then telling you we're gonna test drive it on water. Because if we can test drive this vehicle on water, that means it will drive on the road. Oh, wait. No, it doesn't. Now, what about this interesting painting at the Neutral Buoyancy Lab of an astronaut watching a scuba diver hand a Vitruvian man a drill to get through the firmament? That's interesting. Not to mention, if they had a green screen, how easy would it be to fake this stuff, guys? Just ask yourself, are you seeing anything on NASA or on live footage that can't be faked? Again, I'm not here to tell you what to think. I'm here to get you to think. Are you seeing anything that can't be faked? Is there any evidence that is irrefutable or undisputable? Or is it all this tomfoolery?